Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that's perfect for dessert enthusiasts, the 12-in-1 ice cream maker from Oylus. We found this unique machine online and have included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability for yourself. So, what exactly is the 12-in-1 ice cream maker? This versatile frozen dessert machine allows you to create a wide variety of frozen treats right in your own kitchen. With its impressive range of 12 preset programs, it's designed to help you master every frozen creation, from classic ice cream and gelato to refreshing sorbet and milkshakes. Whether you're in the mood for a fruity slushie or a rich, creamy frozen yogurt, this machine has got you covered. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features of this ice cream maker. First and foremost, the 12 smart preset programs are a game changer. You can choose from options like light ice cream, coffee chino, smoothie bowl, and even a mix-in mode for those who love to customize their desserts. This means you can easily whip up gourmet-quality treats that suit your taste preferences and dietary needs. One of the most appealing aspects of this ice cream maker is its effortless operation. It simplifies the dessert-making process into 3 easy steps: prepare your ingredients, freeze them overnight, and then simply press one button to get silky smooth results. It takes the guesswork out of making ice cream, making it perfect for both beginners and seasoned dessert makers. The Oylus ice cream maker is not just about convenience, it also promotes a healthier lifestyle. You have the flexibility to create desserts that align with your dietary choices. Whether you're looking to make rich gelato, low-sugar options, high-protein recipes, or even dairy-free and vegan treats, this machine allows for creative freedom. You can also experiment with your favorite mix-ins like chocolate chips, fresh fruits, or nuts to personalize your frozen creations. Another fantastic feature is the 2-in-1 serving option. You can layer your dessert by serving a fruit or chocolate layer first and then mixing in cookies or nuts for a second round of delightful flavors. This flexibility is perfect for those who enjoy variety in their desserts or for hosting gatherings where you want to impress your guests with unique combinations. The advanced dual drive system is another highlight of this ice cream maker. It utilizes powerful dual drive motors that eliminate the need for pre-churning, transforming your frozen bases into luxuriously smooth ice cream, Italian ice, or frozen yogurt with ease. And if you like your ice cream even softer and creamier, the respin function allows you to activate a second cycle for that perfect finish. Lastly, the Oylus ice cream maker is designed to be shared. It comes with 2 16-ounce pint containers, making it ideal for family treats, parties, or even office desserts. This feature ensures that everyone can enjoy a scoop of their favorite frozen delight. So, who is this machine suitable for? Whether you're a busy parent looking for a fun activity to do with your kids, a health-conscious individual wanting to control the ingredients in your desserts, or simply someone who loves indulging in homemade frozen treats, the 12-in-1 ice cream maker is a fantastic choice. In practical use cases, you might find yourself using this machine on a hot summer day to whip up a refreshing sorbet or hosting a movie night where you can create personalized milkshakes for everyone. The possibilities are endless, and it brings a sense of creativity and joy to your kitchen. Thanks